Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Meta Knight from Kirby. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. Maybe share this video with a friend who also likes Kirby. That would be cool. And it would be great if you would subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start drawing Meta Knight with the eyes. So we're going to do like a V shape right here. And then we can come on down on the sides, on both sides, and then follow that same V shape. And then we can do rounded shapes in here in this V kind of shape. So these are going to be the eyes. Those are going to be yellow eventually. And then the rest of that shape can go all dark. Okay, so next, let's do a rounded line, a curved line coming up this way. And then we can do it continuing on through that eye area. And then right here, you can do a bit of a curved line there too. And right here, you can do a little shape like this. Same on the other side. And we can come down a little bit on both sides and do another one. They almost look like big claws, but they're just a part of his armor, I guess. Okay, so let's continue. Rounded shape. Same over here. Okay, so next let's do a silly little shape right here. Kind of curvy. This is going to be like his shoulder pad. So we can do a line right here, and we can do like an M right there as well. And now let's have his hand kind of poking out of here. So we're going to have a little funny shape right here like that. And then we can do a thumb, and then the rest of the hand. And this hand, everything here except for the thumb is going to be in like an armor kind of situation. So we can do a line right here, these two lines, and put like a little circle here, almost like a bolt maybe. Another line here, and I think we're good there. But let's do the inside of this armored shoulder piece. So a line right here and one right here. Okay, so next let's continue the body shape. So it's really, really round. So let's continue that curve. Okay, now over here let's do that other silly shape for the other shoulder piece of armor, and we can do another line right there, and then we can bring a little shape like this here, and now we're going to do his hand, and he's going to be holding onto his sword. So we got a thumb, and now let's do sword. So I'm going to do a circle right here, and then like that. And same on the other side. And now we can make this line a little bit wider here at the end and make a point. And now we can do a shape like that. Same on the other side. And we're going to do another one as well. And on the other side. Okay. And now I'm going to do like a little V shape right there. And a line going down there in the middle and coming on down here. Now let's do the feet. So they're going to be like pointed feet. And I'm going to do a line here, a curved line, and another one, and another one. And we can do the other foot. And same thing, curved line, another one, and another one. All right, so now we need those big, cool bat wings. So we can draw a line coming up this way a bit. And then coming on down this way. And now we can bring that line up. And then do a little curve here. And do another little point. And then this big line here. And then we're going to do like a little claw here at the end of the wing. And now, let's see, we're going to do a line coming up this way. And then right here, we can do a point and bring it back here and come on up. So right here, we can do a little line, and then this can go in here behind that shoulder piece. So now we need the other wing. So let's start here. Come on outwards a bit. Do the little claw. And then bring this wing here. Do a bit of a curve here. And then bring it in here behind that shoulder piece. And then we can do a line right here. Bring it up here to that claw area. And then come on down here. Come on back up. And then we can come on down, because there would be another curve here, but we can't really see it because of where the shoulder is. And then we can bring this back up and then down this way. All right. So we've got our drawing done, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, so we're finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!